What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. It's my niece babysitting a little bit right now. Alright, so kind of wish I recorded the whole morning for you guys. So this is day 2 of daily vlogging. Right now I'm about to start editing the video that I did yesterday so I could post it today. And this video you're watching was from yesterday, which is gonna be in real time right now. It's gonna be for tomorrow. So yeah, but in the morning, woke up around 8, started getting all the recycling cans and everything ready, went to recycle. She's like, who the hell are you talking to? So I went to go recycle. That's que chingarla, you know, to get some bills paid, right? Then we just chilled, and then now I'm gonna start editing the video, and we ain't got much to do later on, but I do have an update for you guys. Like I said, and I think it was yesterday's video, the truck is up for sale. If any of you guys are interested, like I said, I'm not asking for more than what I have left on what I have left to pay off. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. Other than that, if not, then I'm gonna just get the truck traded in and get a nice family SUV or something. So hit me up, guys. Hit me up if you guys are interested. But for now, let's continue on with the video. Let me finish editing this, get it ready for posting, get it ready to get posted, and then continue with the day. So let's go, guys. And look, have you guys seen? I got my Silhouette Cameo Plus right here. I'm about to start doing my own shirts. I'm just waiting on the heat press so I can start pressing the shirts. But this right here is the vinyl cutter. Oh yeah, look at that new vinyl I got. That's gonna be for banners. Got some other goodies in there too, but alright guys, let's continue. Oh shit, I just heard a cop. I think somebody got pulled over on my street. While you guys are watching this, put down in the comments what other stuff you guys would like for me what other stuff you guys would like for me to do, and for you guys to watch while I'm doing these daily videos. Let me know, guys, and I'll get some more videos done for you guys. Well, currently I have like a bunch of ideas, and I'm sure I could get through like one whole week of filming for you guys. So just let me know, guys. Just let me know. Alright guys, the video's finally done. We're exporting it. Everybody's your boy Chubbs, welcome. And we're gonna be posting it right now. Hey, what are you doing out here? No quema! Oh shit. Forgot I still gotta take out all those Ábrelo todo, por favor. I forgot I gotta take out all these cans still from recycling in the morning. So we're gonna load this, wash the truck real quick, get it ready for a trade-in, and yeah. Man, like I said in the video, it's so hard to keep up washing all 3 trucks. But we're gonna wash this one, since this is the one that we're gonna be sending away, sadly. Alright, tenemos el sombrero. Para que no nos pegue el sol, hay que lavar. Look at that paint, that's nice. Alright, let's move the truck so we can wash it. Alright, we got some Killerwax soap right here. About to bless the truck. For whoever buys it, or... Yep. One thing that's always accurate always consistent with Killerwax's soap is, oh, it smells so good. Yeah, I want to shower in this. Alright, let's get this truck washed real quick. Alright, so the truck's nice and washed and dried and everything. Might hit it with some detail spray, not sure, but tonight for sure I'm gonna buy a full washing kit from Killerwax.com. Go check out all their supplies, guys. They have a bunch of great products. Like I said, the soap that he gave me some in the bucket. That soap smells freaking bomb, and so does the detail spray. Smells straight like Gushers. But I'm gonna get myself a whole kit that includes like window cleaner, the wash and wax. I already have detail spray. But I'll check out what else to have on his website. But yeah, guys, check out Killerwax.com, KillerwaxSoCal.com, and get some cleaning products right there. I highly recommend. Like, I buy the product myself. It's not free to me. It's, you know, so get something that's worth buying. These products, this company is worth buying from, so check it out, guys. But I'm sure if you guys haven't been keeping up, you guys are probably like, wait, why is he selling this truck? This truck is badass. Yes, the truck is definitely freaking badass, and I do not want to sell it or trade it in, but I'm doing what's best for my family. I'm gonna get us a freaking family car with some stuff that I still like. You know, I'm looking at this turbocharged family car, so it's still gonna be something fun. I'm definitely gonna miss having a single cab, especially a newer single cab truck. But there's always time later on in the future to buy everything I want. Right now I can't afford 1, 2, 3, 5 vehicles. I can't just buy an extra vehicle, so giving this one up and getting something that's best for my family. So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested in the truck, hit me up. It's available to anyone. You just gotta, like I said in the last video, just take over the payments. I'm not charging what I paid for the truck. I'm just charging what I owe left. So let me know, guys. We got the babies out here. Una coquita. To me, this truck is a great memory, even though I haven't even had it for a year. Let me tell you why. This truck to me is a goal accomplished. When I still had the little car, before I even had the little car, I was like, damn, I want a turbo 4-cylinder stick shift, because I want to drive stick shift, and that's my first ever stick shift car. So I accomplished that goal. I got that car. I was good paying with it and everything. And then my next goal, a little bit over a year after that, I was like, if you guys been here that long, you guys know, I would say I want a newer single cab truck. Well, this is my first single cab. I wanted a single cab truck, but the newer editions, because these things look badass. Obviously I didn't do anything at all to this truck except the 85 and the tune. I accomplished that goal. I got the truck that I wanted, and us guys that are into this lifestyle, when you want this car and that car, and I want my dream car, this and that, it's hard to keep one vehicle, you know, especially when you're doing payments on it. Like this, I would keep this truck if I could, and just be balling and buy a different car and pay for that one monthly as well. But it's not like that. Well, for me, it's not like that yet. And I will get to that point, because so far I've been accomplishing every goal I've placed for myself. And I've gotten messages from a lot of you guys messaging me about how I inspired you. You lowered your truck. You did the Denali front end swap. You did a 510 drop. I love receiving those comments, and for me to be able to inspire you guys, it's amazing. So if you want something, go and get it, bro. Go and get it. Don't let anything get in your way. Don't let anybody tell you anything. If somebody tells you you can't do something, prove them wrong. As long as it's something good. If they're telling you not to kill somebody, then I'm not trying to speak any sarcasm right now. I'm being serious. So TCB, guys, keep taking care of business. So like I said, this truck was awesome. It's an amazing truck, great truck, but it's time to move on. So let's go. Plus this truck is small. Like every time me, my girl, and the baby go out, oh, we're so squished. Like in the last video, I went to the printing warehouse and I don't know where to put my vinyl. Let's say I would have bought way more vinyl than just that one roll. I'd have nowhere to put it unless I put a cover on the bed. But yeah, guys, so I need something bigger. Plus I miss having a 4-cylinder turbo car. So I'm looking at this this turbo charged SUV, 100 less horsepower, but come on, turbo, all-wheel drive. If you guys can guess what it is, I'll send you guys a sticker. Not just a sticker, a decal and some stickers. So try to guess what car, what model we might be getting, because that's on my mind right now. We still got to go check it out, make sure everything's good, and hopefully everything works out with the truck getting traded in and everything, or if somebody buys it within that time. So time to swap out the battery. Lasted me all day yesterday and most of today. So alright guys, so it's nighttime already. Pretty much the past few hours just chilling, watching Game of Thrones. I don't know if you guys seen that, but you guys gotta watch it. But that was pretty much the day. That was pretty much the day right there. I'm gonna just go to Food for Less, get some Powerades, maybe some snacks, watch a movie with my lady. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm also gonna go deposit some cash and get some shirts ordered for an order I got. So let's go. I found the truck meet, guys. Look at this. Sick. Eternal trucking. Let's get a little walk around of this little meet.
Quisiera tenerte aquí cerquita, morderte tus labios, sé que te encanto. Hay que parar de jugar, mi niña, mejor hay que quemar una indica. En verdad me prendes cuando te arrimas, no puedo explicarlo. Lo que yo traigo es algo más que un amor especial. Me tienes bien loco todo el día. Luces muy bien con vestido, siempre si te miro quedo sorprendido. Te das una vuelta, bella piel de seda, hermosa chiquilla, déjame presumir toda tu belleza. Tú eres lo que yo he querido, nadie más yo pido. Portando delirio, si algún problema fácil se arregla, en la cama se soluciona, disquitemos las diferencias.